Whether it's soaring gas prices, the upcoming conference in Glasgow, or even the latest BBC drama, there's no escaping environmental and sustainability issues at the moment. But what does it mean for tourism and hospitality businesses? I've been working over the last 2 decades and a bit more to see how those issues can be addressed in a way that not only addresses the challenges, but realises the opportunities. I'd love you to join me for the Green Edge training course. We'll be running it online on the mornings of the 18th and 23rd of November. It'll be practical. I'll look to provide you with lots of examples of how it's done in different places, and I'll try to give you some tactics and tips on how to make the most of your limited resources and time. So please do join me for those 2 mornings in November. I'd love to see you, and I hope I can help you realise the opportunities that lie ahead.